I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. Fame's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing, baby. Saying, baby. Love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and put a drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Yeah, get to taking that off of me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just like you will. Come through and chill. Just like you will. Come through and chill. Just like you will. Come through and chill.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone, show me it was real. Pick up the phone. Yeah.
Hey, y'all, moles. What's going on in the Bill Naives tonight? Come on in, y'all. We got the hot tea, piping hot tea on the floor tonight, okay? Hit that like button, hit that reaction button, okay? Because the tea gonna be dropping when we hit that reaction button, okay? We got to get these likes up too, okay? Because I only see a couple likes around these parts, okay? I don't want to fuss and fight tonight, okay? Oh, you know what? Let me do a poll in the chat because I want y'all to see what this subpoena. Okay, let's see what's going on. It's a subpoena. Thank you, Sybil. Hey, everybody that's up in this mall. Okay, come on in. Hit it for me. Okay, it's a poll in the chat. Poll in the chat. Everybody, y'all can hear me. We good. We good. Y'all can hear me. Everything okay. New featured hair from not yesterday. What was that? Tuesday? Gossip Girls. Okay, y'all know on my week on Gossip Girls, I feature a new colored wig. Okay, this is the ginger from Love Me. I think this is a 10-inch bob, 13 by 4 bob. Okay. And it is very much so glueless. I don't have anything holding this down. I can lift this right on up. See there? All right. And it's still up here. Just my ear tab is up over here, but you know, we can put that back like that. Okay, like this. Okay. And this side over here like this, but I can put this whole thing behind my ear. Without this little piece, I just want this little piece hanging right there. But yep. Hey there. Hey, Astute. Did I see Brit in here? Hey, Brit's Block. Let me go up to the top. Hey, Cookie from the Shy. Hey, Ren Bass. Hey, Cupcakes Mama. Hey, Mary. Hey, Jean. Hey, Creole Girl. Hey, what is it? Fly Iris Speaks. Period. Hey, say hey, Cookie. Speak to them. Say hello. Cookie, I can't take how cute you are. Okay. Period. Who else? Hey, Miss Rose. How you doing? Hey, Nina. Hey, Miss Mary White. Hey, not your friend, period. Okay. Hey, Love 08. Hey, Kelly. Hey, Happy Girl. Hey, Holly. Hey, Sweet Essence. Hey, S White. Come on in. Hey, Sweet Vine. Hey, Miss Now Letter Mango. How you doing? I be catching you get the replay in the comment section. Not you here. Count you in, child of T. All right, T is in effect. All right, let's get into it. We got the people in here. We got likes or whatnot. How many people we got in here? 434. How many likes do we have? How many likes? Let me see what the likes looking like. 200. Can we get to like 250 likes? Because we got like 4 something on in the chat. Can we get to 250 likes? Come on, hit me up. Hey, Willette. That's my daddy's oldest sister name, Willette. Hey, Terry T, baby. Hey, y'all, come on in the room. Let me see it with the likes. Where my girls at? Hey, my 2 sons. Hey, you 2 cute. Was old Marty Subpoena, Miss Line Dance. We about to see. It's a poll in the chat too. Please engage with the poll in the chat. We need 6 more likes before I put the document on the screen because it don't cost a thing. Okay. Come on through. Pull up on me. All right. We's here. How y'all doing? Come on in. Hit the like button. Hey, Britt. Hit the like button when y'all coming in. Hit the reaction button for me too. It lets people know that your girl is live. I didn't do no notification, so I just had to pop on here. Okay, it's that time of the month, so your girl is, tired. Okay, so let's get up into the things before I have to go to bed. All right, so first, I want to tell y'all that on the 20th of February, last Thursday, which is my mother's birthday, what do you call it? LB's attorney put in a request for a trial conflict for a continuance, but the judge hasn't ruled on it yet. So I don't know why or what happened, okay? But hey, did them. But today, we got this in the court, y'all. Share my screen. Okay. And because I know y'all fools is some fools. Hey, Miss Anita Swift. Hey, Miss Star Child. Hey, Astute. Because I know y'all mofos is so damn nosy, I had to cover up the name, okay? So, order to appear, subpoena today, was issued. LeBert Williams versus Destiny Williams or whatever, for juvenile case only, okay? This is the person. They live in Alabama. I just gave y'all the first 2 damn letters with y'all slick asses, okay? Over here to the right, we have issued a request of, issued at the request of. Hey, Miss Juanita. The defendant. Okay. B, special instructions. You are ordered to appear at trial. Okay. It says you may contact Christine Denise Butler and gives her information. Okay. And then it says you are ordered to appear to give testimony before the court or by this deposition and / or produce and permit inspection and copying of books, documents, or tangible things and / or permit inspection of premises as stated below until otherwise excused. Failure to obey this subpoena may be deemed a contempt of court from which the subpoena was issued. Okay. Now it has here, the date is tomorrow, 2/28 at 9 a.m. Okay. They're going to see Didum's best friend, Ms. Ruth. Okay. And then additional instructions, any inspection or production of documents or records must be completed within 15 days. Appear at the hearing. She has to appear at the hearing. Okay. So I do have the person's name. I'm not going to put her name out here. It is a young lady. Okay. The young lady is about 27 years old. She's a young lady. So I'm not sure if this is LB's girlfriend or what. So if this is his girlfriend, she was mentioned in the documentation that Dusty submitted, right? I'm not giving y'all, Miss Prince, I am not giving y'all that girl initials because y'all know y'all gonna be the founder by the time we end this damn live, and y'all know it. I shouldn't have gave the first 2 letters of the damn name. Y'all hit that like button. Hit that like button for me. Quit playing with me. Don't do me like that. Do not do your girl like that. I done went fishing for these documents and all that stuff. So don't do me like that on the likes, okay? Get just the least you can do is give me the likes, okay? Come on now. Okay? So it says you may contact Dusty's lawyer. So there is a little confusion. I'm a little confused here, okay? That's why I put the poll in the chat, because who do y'all think the subpoena witness is for? Do y'all think they're going to be on the behalf of LB or on Destiny's behalf? Okay? What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Because if she's here on, and let's go through both of the scenarios, okay? Because again, the court case is tomorrow. This document was submitted today at like 3:37 p.m. So again, now I'm a little confused because in their original divorce case, Dusty is the defendant. And it says here that it was issued at the request of the defendant. But for this case here, what the judge is hearing, these accusations were made by Dusty, which made LeBerick the defendant in this case. So that's the part that I'm confused on. So let's go through what it would be if it was LeBerick. So if LeBerick is a defendant and this girl is coming, since Destiny did bring her up in her complaint, do y'all think that she brought this girl here to testify against LeBerick in the case? And this saying you may contact Dusty's lawyer would mean to me that it's a surprise that she didn't talk this over with this girl. She just gave them her name and her lawyer submitted the paperwork or something like that. But let me go to the other page. 1 second. The reason why I could see this being Dusty is from, okay. So this is the rules for the order to appear, right? So I just told y'all when it was submitted just today. Like they've had notice of this court date since the week before last. On timely motions by the court by which a subpoena was issued shall squash or modify the subpoena if it fails to allow reasonable time for compliance. So if this was Dusty lawyer sending this out, if this was Dusty's lawyer sending this out for this girl to be subpoenaed, they sent it out just the evening before the court. Like she doesn't even have 24 hours to prepare. Okay. And then here, for if a subpoena requires disclosure of a trade secret or other confidential research, development, or commercial information, or requires disclosure of an unretained expert's opinion or information not describing specific events or occurrences in dispute and resulting from the expert study made not at the request of any party, or requires a person who is not a party or an officer of a party to incur substantial expenses to travel more than 100 miles to attend the trial, the court may protect a person subject to or affected by the subpoena, squash or modify the subpoena, or if the party in whose behalf the subpoena is issued shows a substantial need for the testimony or material that cannot be otherwise met without undue hardship, and assures that the person to whom the subpoena is addressed will be reasonably compensated. Okay, the court can order appearances or production only upon specified conditions. A person responding to a subpoena to produce documents shall produce them as they are kept in the usual course of business, or shall organize to label them to correspond with the categories in the demand. So I can see this being Dusty end, and she trying to give last minute notice because she know the girl probably ain't gonna come, because if it says here for her to contact her attorney, contact Dusty's attorney, then it could be that, hey, if you got any questions, you can contact us. But court is in the morning. But let me get this super chat 1 second, y'all. Thank you, Miss Bridget J. How you doing? For the super chat, LB went live around 5. Did he address it there? No, he just went live to show that Law was with him and at this bumper car thing for kids, like a little play date. So this person too also could serve as the person that he's gonna have sit at court with LeBaric. I mean, with Law, because Law has to go to court tomorrow. Okay. Uppity in this mode. Hey, Uppity! Uppity, make sure they getting the likes up, because they acting brand new. They're acting brand new. Yeah, so this is what I feel like if it's on LeBaric's behalf, it would, I mean, she's coming to, support him on his behalf to disprove Dusty's lies. Because if she had this girlfriend or information about this girlfriend, if this is his girlfriend, that's if this is his girlfriend, if she was going to subpoena her to come, I would assume that she would have had talked to her, or she just got this information from Law. And I wouldn't want to know how would she know that girl's whole name like this? Because that girl is not from Alabama. She lives there now, but she's not from there. Yeah, Bobby, I see that she was subpoena at the request of the defendant. And like I said, I'm confused as at this point, because I'm confused if in this case now, because they're seeing a court, they're going for what Dusty put into play. I'm saying if those documents, LeBaric is a defendant. They just referred it back to their family court to resolve it, instead of, because they denied her her petition for protective order in a AB or whatever. So now it's in the hands of their original family court judge, and that judge, y'all know, already was on her ass. But LeBaric attorney did file the motion also to have Dusty asses locked up for contempt. And she did put his girlfriend in those documents. She put the girlfriend she didn't say her name in there, but she put her in there and said that she was experiencing AB as well. How would she know that? And my thing again, if I'm saying, like you saying that Law can barely talk or he's delayed, so you taking the word of what Law is saying and probably doing the same thing Martell doing, questioning the hell out of them damn kids. Let me get Miss Bridget J the money song.
Check money. All I really wanna see is the money. I don't really need a D, I need the money. All a bad bitch need is the.
Okay. What do y'all think? Bobby said LB is playing chess. LB is the plaintiff in this case. That again, for real, that's the one, that's the part that's I'm kind of confused on, because in the original case, he is the plaintiff. But for this part that the judge is hearing tomorrow, he's the defendant, because Dusty made these claims. And the judge said they're only hearing the claims for the child, AB. And remember, she had the order to Let me pull that document up. She had the order to bring that they had to bring that Liberic was ordered to bring a somebody to the courtroom, a family member or a friend to the court to sit with the child while court is in session. Let me put this one on the screen. See here? This is what they're hearing tomorrow. Okay, so y'all see their cases here. So this is their original case, right? Liberic versus Destiny. He's the plaintiff, she's the defendant. And then now for this case, which is the same as this one, I mean, they just referred it back to this one. But in this one, Destiny is the plaintiff, and this like a counter one, right? So Destiny is the plaintiff, and he's the defendant. So are we leaning toward she's coming on Liberic's behalf to squash her shit, to squash what the fuck Destiny said about him? Because this is the order. In this, it is ordered, adjudged, and decreed that the above reference matter be and the same is hereby set for hearing February the 13th, 2014 at 1. They put it 2024. That was an error. At 1 p.m. in courtroom, whatever, Madison County Courthouse before the undersigned judge. This hearing is limited to the protection from AB ordered filed by the plaintiff, Destiny Payton Williams. Okay. The minor child shall be brought to the hearing. The father is directed to bring a relative or other individual to the hearing that can sit with the minor child until the hearing on this matter is concluded. Done this 5th day of February 2025. I think we just got our answer. Miss Gloria, it says they can contact Destiny's attorney. And if Destiny was having her come, I don't see why they would want her to contact her attorney, because she already, you know what I'm saying? She already would have been in talks with them, or unless Dusty surprised this shit and then dropping it at the last minute for try to subpoena her because she knows good and damn well she ain't gonna be able to come. But again, now from looking back at this order and how this is the case that they're hearing. And here it clearly states that the order filed by the plaintiff, Destiny Payton Williams. So in this case, Destiny is the plaintiff. So back here, here we have it issued at the request of the defendant. Maybe his mom is going to come and sit with the child because this person has been subpoenaed. So yeah, thank you, Bronny, for bringing that up. So now it's looking like she can't be there she can't be there to sit with the child because she's subpoenaed now. So she's going to be involved in the court too. Miss Gloria, it says that in this case right here, for this one, that Dusty is the plaintiff and LeBerick is the defendant. So this was issued at the request of the defendant, which it looked like it would be LeBerick now. Let me see what Bobby saying. Oh, I had another super chat. Thank you, Appetite, for the super chat. We humbly request that you tap the like button, please. Thank you very much. Let me get her the money song while y'all hitting that like button.
Tell them that it's a magic. Money, money, green, green. Money's all I need. Money, money, green, green.
For real though, yeah, LB is the plaintiff in their original case, right? But since Dusty brought these charges against him for this case that the judge is hearing on this case right here, he is the defendant. Someone is still saying LB is the plaintiff. Jesus Christ. Y'all just showed y'all the document. Y'all want me to show y'all again? Okay, this was made a request of the defendant, okay? This is what we're hearing tomorrow. This is for the case, the one for tomorrow, guys, okay? And this is the court order here for the case that they're hearing tomorrow, okay? See here? This is the original case, right? So let me see if I can explain this. Okay, so we know LeBerick filed for divorce, right? So LeBerick filed for divorce. This was in 2020. So that made him the plaintiff and Dusty the defendant, right? So back in January, when Destiny made these claims against him, they opened up another case where she was the plaintiff and he was the defendant. That judge denied her emergency ex parte order to get full custody and child support and the protection order against her and Little Law. She never returned the child or anything. So the judge denied that and referred the case back to their family court judge, right? Still, with this being in place, for this case, Destiny is the plaintiff and LeBerick is the defendant. It is ordered, adjudged, and decreed that the above referenced matter be and the same is hereby set for hearing on February the 13th, 2020, supposed to be 5 at 1 p.m. We know that Dusty's attorney had a conflict and she requested to change the date because of a conflict where her daughter had a wrestling match. Okay. Hopefully not y'all tap the like button like y'all tapping on Bobby Bolton's nerves. Yes, child. Okay. It's the nerves of it all. Bobby can't take it. Let me see here. 1 second. Thank you, Miss Bridget J, for the super chat. Did them get the courtroom security clearance from Ruth Ann and reporter privileges? No, because they just got it down here too late. Because again, LeBerick had put in for a continuance for a conflict, but his attorney put the paperwork he put in. It wasn't no damn conflict. So I don't know what the hell he was talking about. But let me give you the money saw, because period, okay? Didn't need to have her ass there. All didn't need to go to the court cases.
Check money. All I really want to see is money. I don't really need a D, I need all a bad bitch need is money.
Let me see. Y'all so damn messy. DG is an attorney? What DG say? Not Ruth Jones in the chat. Ruth, is that you, Ruth Ann? Say so the original case will not be heard ever. They're done with the original case, as with LeBerrick being the plaintiff and Destiny being the defendant. They're done with that part, right? The judge is only hearing tomorrow the accusations that Dusty made as a plaintiff, and LeBerrick is the defendant because she made the claims that he was AB in law. So they are hearing that case, right? And also, too, where the judge also put in there that caveat that we must not forget. And this is why we think that Dusty going to jail or something, because the judge said this hearing is limited to the protection from AB ordered filed by the plaintiff Destiny Payton Williams. Okay? So Dusty is the plaintiff in this end. LeBerrick is the defendant in this end. So the subpoena came from the the defendant's end at his request. Okay? It says the minor child shall be brought to the hearing. The father is directed to bring a relative or other individual to the hearing that can sit with the minor child until the hearing on this matter is concluded. Simply, we assuming that this is his girlfriend, but the girl is rather young. Now I see the girl name, but I'm not gonna put her name out here. And she, like I said, she seems rather young. And she, will put you kind of in the mind of a Dusty. So as far as their looks, so it looked like he might have a type. Okay. I'll just say that. So he could have him a sweet young thing. She's 27. And he's what, 42, about to be 43 this year? Yeah. Let's see what Reezy Pieces. Hey, Reezy, thank you. Denim best friend is going to give Dusty the Karen treatment. She is sick of her ass. Hey, y'all. Not hey, y'all at the end, child. Hey, Empress. Not thanks for the tea. Empress, give me 10 minutes to get the tea out, okay? And you welcome to it, child. Let me get you the money song.
Tell them that it's a magic. Money, money, green, green. Money's all I need. Money, money, green, green.
All right. We in the build naive. Okay. So it is given that, oh, you know what? I told y'all I did a little digging or whatnot, okay? And I will say, she's 27, simply. It could be a cousin or something. I don't know. I was thinking that it might be a girlfriend because Dusty brought a girlfriend up in the documents. So she might be coming to clear some shit up. Because don't put my name in no motherfucking shit and you ain't talked to me. Or I ain't told you that. And LeBerrick might be making her come to court like, you better clear this shit up. Because I don't even understand. He barely talked to Dusty. So he act like they don't have no type of communication. So I'm confused as to how Dusty would even like just take that and put that in a document like that, a serious accusation like that, coming from a 4-year-old that you said that he was delayed due to the AB from the father. You know? So that seems a little weird. But like I said, she's young. Oh, this is what I was going to say. I did look the young lady up. Okay? And I mean looked her up. And some of her direct relatives last name is Fletcher. Clock that T. This is breaking news. A lot of her close relatives' last names is Fletcher. Miss Rose, that was a thought too. But now I'm more so also thinking like that shit that Dusty pulled at that damn reunion. Like she flat out lied. Like that wasn't her age. Like she blatantly lied. And Ms. Nell was like, you told me you was 42. And she was like, I didn't tell you that. Just lying. Yep. Not his damn Land's daughter. But I know that Land's last name is Fletcher. But well, he probably didn't give because that's Lance is not. I think Chris must have adopted him. But Lexi said that Nell said that they got child support from Lance's father. So if Chris adopted Lance and changed his last name to Fletcher, he wouldn't get child support from the father because that would mean that the father would have to turn over his parental rights. Yeah, rest in peace to Roberta Flack. Yeah, Lady Lucy. About not the makeup artist, but you talking about Alonda having the same last name as Martell. I know they said that that's Martell's cousin, but way back when, I know I heard one of them say that that's not his cousin. They just got the same last name. That's why I always question, like, was that really his cousin? Yeah, Justice. Chris Isley, and also, yeah, Gene Hackman. What the heck was going on with that? And they said it was not no gas leaks or nothing like that at their house or anything like that. It wasn't any gas leaks or anything in the neighborhood or nothing. They said the wife and the dog was found deceased in like a bathroom with a space heater. And he was found like in the mud room. Yeah, Empress. I think they were playing cousins. Could have been kissing cousins. As mad as how her mama act toward Melody, that Judy lady, her and Martell might be kissing cousins. We talking about Gene Hackman. They found him and his wife and their dog deceased yesterday. But now they saying it's suspicious because the gas companies and stuff like that said it was no gas leaks or nothing in that area or in the house. The report I heard said the dog was found with the wife. And he was 95 and the wife was 64. Yeah, Mishi, he liked to pass them down, so I don't know. We also talking about these court subpoenas and witnesses did them. Yes. Oh, I forgot. I forgot that part. Yes, I forgot that part. That the girl lands due to the dog, and why was he adopted again? I'm confused. Oh no, Kiana, that's two separate things. I'm talking about Gene Hackman passing away, the one that was in Mississippi burning. I'm talking about him passing away, and his wife, his wife, and their dog was found deceased at their home yesterday. But Lance last name is Fletcher, and it's Fletcher on the court document, so his name is legally Lance Fletcher. But he's not Chris's biological bio dad. I'll go with Lexi, bio dad. And he Lexi said in her video about, was it Ms. Nell, about her saying that they get child support from Lance's father and she give the money to Lance, so her mom should give her the child support that Chris pays her. And like I said, a lot of stuff that Lexi say is questionable to me. So I was like, well, if Lance's last name was changed to Fletcher because Fletch is not his real dad, then that would mean that Chris would have had to adopt him. Because I think his daughter's last name is Fletcher too. Oh, two dogs. Oh, okay. Yeah, but Lance would be his last name is Fletcher or whatever. So that would mean that his dad wouldn't pay child support if Chris had adopted him. That means he would have signed over his paternal rights, his paternal rights or whatever. So he wouldn't have to pay child support because he's turning over all rights to him. Unless he was paying child support at first and then was like, well, fuck it, I'll just sign over my rights and you can change his last name and I won't deal with him no more. You know what? Denim and Brownie said that Lance looked like he mixed. I just think he just light-skinned, but they said he looked like he's mixed. I can't even see a Mexican dealing with Ms. Nell. I can't see nobody dealing with Ms. Nell, but a no good. Let me quit saying LeBary's new girlfriend has a bunch of Fletcher relatives as well. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Shines a new light on Destiny trying to work herself into that family. Yes. like I said, I looked the girl up. And I'm not saying this allegedly. I'm not saying that she's for sure is LeBerg's girlfriend, but she is the witness that they subpoenaed is a young lady. She's 27 years old. She's not from Alabama, but she lives in Alabama. She graduated from A&M, I think, in 2020. And she's only 27 years old. And you know what? I'm gonna say maybe she's maybe she could be a cousin or something like that too. Somebody that maybe help LeBerg with law, so they're coming to court to, you know, talk about their experiences with law and being around law and LeBerg and stuff like that too. So that could be that. But I was thinking that it was the girlfriend because she mentioned that AB's the girlfriend as well. So y'all know how she lie like a fucking rug. Or Lance could have changed it on his own when he turned 18. I don't think he changed it on his own when he's 18 because I think his daughter's last name is Fletcher. I was thinking about that too. And you know, he had the daughter when he was 16. Someone in the chat said it could have been an open adoption. In that case, child support is paid. What do you mean an open adoption? An open adoption just means that the parent is okay with the child seeking them after they get of age or whatever. Like they can't have two parents, two men responsible for the financial support of a child. So if one of them, if Chris adopted him, then the father would have had to relinquish his rights, unless Nell couldn't find his ass or he went back to Mexico running away from her ass because she probably cussed his ass out all the way back across the damn border. Rapido. Did I see Miss Deb in the chat? Hey, Miss Deb, how you doing in the chat? I ain't seen you in a minute. How you been doing, Miss Deb? I think I seen you a while ago. Y'all think Miss Nell looks Spanish? Y'all just be seeing shit. That Miss Nell look like a lady, a regular lady. Denim and Brownie argue me down about Lance. I was like, child, I just give up. This is why we need a fourth gossip girl. And a fourth gossip girl got to be an alliance of mine. Okay? Because I'm Melody. Every time somebody get in the group, they side with Brownie. Okay? Brownie got the same thing going out. Exactly, Miss Justice. What the man tell it ain't Jasmine. I'm gonna put Jasmine name on there. What the man tell Chicken George? See, after these 60 days, you got your little freedom papers. Okay, after them 60 days, you're gonna be back to regular old. Okay, so that's exactly what Miss Nell looked like. Regular old N-word, okay? Period. Ninja. Okay? Nothing special to see here. Y'all want somebody to be exotic so bad. No, it's not Jasmine. Let me give you the money song though. Period.
Tell them that it's a magic. Money, money, green, green. Money's all I need. Money, money, green, green.
I don't think Miss Nell mixed with nothing but anger. She mixed with anger and disappointment of life. Y'all see how light Cookie is? Y'all try to accuse Cookie of being light, mixed. And I told y'all her daddy just light skinned. The child is damn African American. Y'all see the hood around the eyes? See there? Y'all see the hair? What y'all think? Not anger and alcohol. That could be it too. Kate Stay Bell. Yes, that could be it too. She could have been getting child support at first, and then, like I said, the daddy probably like, well, I'm sick of you and Lil Lance, okay? And we're done here. Cookie is not mixed, Reezy. Not Cookie ain't mixed with no German Shepherd. Cookie is mixed with caramel and a little sugar. Okay? Period. Peanut butter. Because I'm so thick. Period. Brownie, here you go. Keeping up shit in the chat. And ain't mixed. You the same motherfucker talking about I'm lighter than Diddum. You and Diddum blind. Child, I cannot. I'm not dealing with y'all like here in this chat is colorist. And I don't have time for the games. Okay? I don't think Lance is mixed with anything. I just think he light skinned with a decent grade of hair. Oh yes, baby. When Uppity said Tuesday that Brownie, it was in her monologue. I might have to clip that out and post it. But when she said Brownie kids look like a copier that ran out of toner, period. Okay? So we all shades and everything, and they are not mixed. Okay? Toddy looked like Lance. Toddy looked Chinese when she came out. Did you start looking Arabic and Mexican? And then the child didn't even know she was African American because she used to go to a Mexican school. Hispanic. Yes. Her hair, she looked like Lance. Let me show y'all Toddy when she was little. Looked just like Lance. Cause y'all got me up. Let me see here. Titiana. Can y'all see Toddy? Look at them edges. Look at that hair. Look how long her hair was. And look at the grade of it. Let me see if I have any other baby pictures of her in here. This ain't this. You can't see the roots of her hair, but look at her meals. They little makeup on. They used to love going on my mama's house and say, I want some lipstick. And she would put the little lipstick on. They were so happy. But yeah, her butt ain't mixed with nothing but disappointments. I know. Hey, T from TV, how you been, child? I don't know why I'm not stalking Marte. Yeah, Tiny's little cutie pie. My little kids was cute. Kiana, watch your mouth. And Cookie Miss with Shih Tzu and Poodle. She a Shih Poo. And is. We talking about for me and her daddy breed, okay? Her daddy the Shih Tzu, and I'm the Poodle, okay? Period. Y'all, that's all I got for y'all. Let me get my raggedy tail off of here. So I could go to bed and get under my heated blanket, okay? I got them upstairs warming up for me. Not mixed with betrayal and confusion. Y'all ain't shit. Y'all ain't shit. Thank y'all for the super chats. Y'all, we gonna see y'all tomorrow because before that court is, I'm about to be in that mode, okay? Getting exclusive documentation. They got court at 9 o'clock. By 11 or 3, they should have a damn update, and I'm going live. Okay? When I go live, y'all already know to get y'all asses in here. Be on alert tomorrow. Okay? And that's on period. Be y'all asses on alert tomorrow. Court is 9 in the morning. All right? So we own it. We own it tomorrow. All right. Thank y'all so much for coming out with me tonight. And thank you so much. Make sure y'all notifications are on. Okay. If they need jury 22 down there, I'm gonna be in that mode. Okay. Make sure y'all notifications is on because tomorrow we getting live update. As soon as they hit the damn docket. Okay. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all later, but let me know what y'all thoughts are in the comment section. Make sure you hit the like button when y'all watch the video, and bye.